Hello and welcome to another episode of Cookin' Time. My name is Jake Boyd and I am the Adult Programming Librarian at Sterling Municipal Library. A lot of R's today. Today I am going to be making Gougères, which is fancy French for cheese puffs. But it's one of my favorite things to do because it involves making pâte à choux or choux pastry, which is a pastry that you actually cook stovetop before we put it in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have here about a half cup of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, and just like a half tablespoon of salt. I'm adding to it 7 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna put this over medium-low heat until we get just a simmer, okay? Claire's a Bon App. She's one of the Bon App people. Bon Appetit. She's fancy. I don't usually go in for the Bon Appetit people, or at least I wasn't watching the videos, but I've liked other cookbooks. I'm more of a cookbook person myself, ironically enough. Well, anyway, see you when we're at a simmer. Okay, my milk mixture here is simmering, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put this cup of flour in there all at once, and now we're gonna stir it pretty vigorously on the stove top. We want it just to get to the point where it's coming to a ball together. We're gonna cook it for about 3 minutes. All right, it came together as a little ball right here. Now I'm gonna get it right here. We're gonna get it into this mixing bowl. We're gonna wait just a minute because we don't wanna scald our eggs, but then we're gonna slowly incorporate 5 eggs, one at a time, into the dough, okay? All right, my 5 eggs are in, and I have a nice, very smooth yellow dough right here. And this would be ready to make eclairs, any other thing you would use for choux pastry. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some paprika, nutmeg, cayenne, and salt. And then I'm gonna add about a little more than half of this cheese. We're gonna add it a little bit at a time. This is gonna be good. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, I piped these out and I didn't curse at all, and they look beautiful and not ugly. These are the things we're gonna tell ourselves. I'm gonna pop them in this oven at 375 for 20 minutes, and I will see y'all soon. Okay, so my 25 minutes are up. They don't look exactly like they're supposed to, but they look okay. Let's see here. Yes, they're more cheese discs than cheese puffs, but I will absolutely eat them, and I'm sure my coworkers will eat them. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Cookin' Time. Remember, you can check out Dessert Person by Claire Saffitz at Sterling Municipal Library. Thanks, y'all have a great day.